Winters are finally around the corners, and the bong in me was craving for some really amazing biryanis. Now, as you know, that I've always been a fan of biryani deliveries quite a bit because I can dig into the really awesome rice and meat combo right here at home along with my family. So I've been really working out some biryani delivery options which we've been trying to kind of feed out. But one thing that has always been missing is me trying out biryanis from different parts of the country. So guys, ITC Hotels has come out with a really amazing biryani and pulao collection, an unique amalgamation of Indian flavors, something that has become the signature of ITC Hotels now. So now you can actually order 10 different biryanis over 6 different cities. All of them are included here. You can order them in Delhi, you can order them in Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata and Hyderabad. Talk to you about the biryanis. I'd just like to show you the amazing packaging this biryani actually comes in. So part of the We Assure program, as you can see, make sure that the biryani is delivered to me in a very hygienic and safe way. If I'm going to dig into it, what we have here is one of the favorite flavors that I've been trying to find for quite a bit amount of time in Delhi, and this here is the Bohri Gosht Biryani. We've got an accompanying raita with it, which is the Mirchi Bangan ka salan, and obviously a gulab jamun to top it all off. Now before I dig into the biryanis, I'm just going to show you this amazing packaging that the biryanis actually come in. Now part of the We Assure program means that the biryani is delivered to you in a really beautiful packaging that's safe, hygienic and has got some really amazing things inside it. So I'm just going to open this box and see what's inside it and then let you know. So we have one single portion of the biryani, one accompanying raita, one sweet dish, and some amazing wooden cutlery to top it all off. So let me just tell you about the biryanis that are on offer out here. So there are 10 different biryanis. You've got 4 vegetarian ones. Those are the Kale Moti Pulao, the Sabz Paneer Pulao, the Nimona Mirch Pulao, the Hyderabadi Sabz Tahari. Okay, I'm just reading it from the top here. And along with that, these biryanis are priced at 625 rupees. Along with that, you've got 2 chicken biryanis, which is the Bibi Ka Murg Pulao and the Kona Seema Kodi Pulao, one of which we've actually got out here to show you. And these are priced at 750 rupees. And we've got 4 mutton biryanis and pulaus after that, priced at 825 and 750 respectively. Now we've got a keema pulao, a gosht bori biryani, a metia buruz biryani, and one which is the serai ki biryani. Now we've got ourselves the gosht bori one, something that I've been trying to get in Delhi for a very long time, and the serai ki biryani. So I'm just going to be showing you how these biryanis look like. But before that, let me tell you something really interesting that ITC Hotels has done. Now they have got 4 different types of raitas along with that, which you can mix and match or even go by just their suggestions actually. So what we have here is we've got a Mirchi Bangan ka salan, we've got a Sarso raita, we've got an Anar Kheer raita. So this is something that's going to be really interesting, really flavorful. Let's just dig into it. So guys, let's dig into the biryanis. Now I've been, have them out for quite some time now and have been getting all the aromas. So I can't really wait to dig down into them. So the first one that we are going to try out is the Gosht Bohri Biryani. Now the Bohri Biryani is something that I've been looking forward to trying out for quite some time in Delhi. Now, as you know, the Bohri community exists in Mumbai, and this was where I first tried out the Bohri biryani. Without further ado, let's just dig into it. It's got some amazing amount of dry fruits in it. There are some cashews, prunes. I think it's gonna be a bit on the sweeter side and has some potatoes too. So let's just dig into it. Amazing flavors. Hmm. There's a strong whiff of the ghee that ITC Hotels actually cooks in, along with there's a quite a bit of sweetness as you can, make it out that this biryani is going to be having. So this is one biryani that if you haven't tried out yet, you definitely need to try out. Let's move down south now. Now we've got the Konasima Kodi Pulao, which is or biryani. I might be wrong on that, but this is an essentially Andhra-based chicken pulao, and as you can see, it's going to be fiery as hell. So let's just take some caution and dig into it. It's got the spicy flavors coming out. It's got some coriander on it. It just sounds amazing. Mm. Typical Andhra flavors, but not very heavy on the black pepper. But obviously, you've got the chilies to kind of like offset it into regional, really high heat levels. Moving on, now we're gonna move to the eastern and the northern part of the country. Now we had a really amazing Methia Buru's biryani that was on offer. That is traditional Bengali biryani with, as you know, an egg and a potato in it. But my sister has eaten way too much of Kolkata biryani back at our college, so she does not want any more of Kolkata biryani. So we had to order this one. This is the Serai ki biryani. Now, this is something that was found in small stops as the Mughal army stopped all across the northern part of the country. These were usually rest houses where you could find some really amazing food. Now, this biryani is a classical version of the Persian variant that actually came down with the Mughal army. So you've got flavors which are not going to explode on the the palate, but it's got really subtle but really interesting flavors. So I'm just going to dig into it and let you know how these flavors are. As you can see, it's quite a bit of white long grain basmati rice that you have out here. I'm just going to dig in. There's some heady aromas. You've got the umami and you've got a slight bit of sweetness in here. Okay, so the meat has been done quite well, and it's kind of like seeped in all the flavors, all the subtle spices that are there. There are hints of cardamom. There's a hint of cinnamon in it. Along with it, it's got a really amazing fragrance, which I think probably comes from the saffron that has been put into it. But this is something that's quite interesting, quite subtle, something that you must try out. Have a go at the raitas now. Now, as you can see, I've got 3 raitas in front of me, but you can actually order 4. So what we have here, the first one is the Anar Kheera Raita. Very simple raita, but it's got that flavor which the cool of cucumber and the sweetness of pomegranate kind of like brings in. Quite a light raita, but it's got the flavors that you actually want. Is the sarson ka raita. Now it's got some mustard oil poured over it, so it's going to have a big hit of flavors. I mean, as you can see. Now the pungency of mustard oil is something that I always enjoy quite a bit, and this is one raita that can go really well with the Serai ki biryani. It's going to add that amount of pungency and the explosion of flavors that you actually want upon your palate. I'm gonna dig into this raita one more time. It's really amazing. It's got that hit of mustard oil that hits you in the back. Now the final one is the mirchi baigan ka salan, which is obviously one of the Andhra specialties. Now I'm just gonna taste it out. I'm expecting some strong, robust flavors out here. So you've got a bit of curry leaf flavors, put into it. It gives it the typical South Indian flavor that you want out of your, accompaniment to your biryani. And you can pretty much put it with any of the lightly flavored biryanis or the pulaus in the region. You've got another onion pichadi which we haven't ordered out, and that goes really really well along with the Konasima Kodi pulao. So these are the biryanis and the raitas that you can try out. Do try them out and let us know in the comments below how you like the biryani and pulao collection from ITC Hotels. Till then, I'm gonna dig in some more.